Hey Space Cadets, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're blasting off on a cosmic journey to explore 25 mind-blowing facts about our universe that will make you see the night sky in a whole new way. So buckle up, because things are about to get astronomical. Fact number 1. Let's start with something close to home. Did you know a day on Venus is longer than its year? Yep, it takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Talk about a long workday. Number 2. Speaking of strange rotations, Uranus is the rebel of our solar system. It spins on its side, with its axis tilted at about 98 degrees. Scientists think a massive collision with an Earth-sized object knocked it over billions of years ago. 3. If you think diamonds are a girl's best friend, you'll love this. There's a planet out there, 55 Cancri E, that scientists believe is made largely of carbon, and its immense pressure and heat could mean a third of its mass is pure diamond, an entire planet of bling. 4. Feeling a bit heavy? You'd feel a lot lighter on Mars. The gravity there is only about 38% of Earth's. That means if you weigh 150 pounds here, you'd weigh just 57 pounds on the red planet. Time to practice those high jumps. 5. Space isn't completely silent. While it's a vacuum and sound waves can't travel like they do on Earth, celestial objects emit radio waves. When scientists convert these waves into sound, we can hear the eerie symphony of the cosmos. 6. Up next, the largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It's a colossal filament of galaxies stretching an unimaginable 10 billion light-years across. Our entire Milky Way is just a tiny speck in comparison. 7. Fancy a drink? Astronomers found a massive cloud of alcohol in space, near the constellation Aquila. It's mostly ethyl alcohol, the same kind found in your favorite beverages, and contains enough to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Cheers to that! 8. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. These are the collapsed cores of giant stars, and just a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's more than the weight of the entire human population combined. 9. Let's talk about the smell of space. Astronauts who have been on spacewalks report that space has a distinct odor. They often describe it as a mix of hot metal, seared steak, and welding fumes. The smell of the stars. 10. The Sun is massive, but it's not as big as you might think on a cosmic scale. The largest known star, UY Scuti, is so enormous that if you replaced our Sun with it, its surface would extend out past the orbit of Jupiter. 11. Black holes don't suck. A common misconception is that they're cosmic vacuum cleaners. In reality, they're just objects with incredibly strong gravity. If our Sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would just continue orbiting it like nothing happened. It'd just get really, really cold. 12. Time for a little cosmic recycling. The atoms that make up your body, the carbon, the nitrogen, the oxygen, were all forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. As Carl Sagan famously said, "We are made of star stuff." 13. Olympus Mons on Mars is the tallest volcano in our solar system. It stands nearly 14 miles high, which is almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is so wide, it would cover the entire state of Arizona. 14. Have you ever wondered where the edge of the solar system is? The heliosphere, a protective bubble created by the solar wind, marks the boundary. The Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft have both crossed this boundary, officially entering interstellar space. 15. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Let that sink in for a moment. The number is truly beyond human comprehension, estimated to be in the septillions. 16. We can't see about 95% of the universe. Everything we observe, planets, stars, galaxies, is made of ordinary matter. The rest is composed of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious substances that don't interact with light but dominate the universe's structure and expansion. 17. The Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. This means that in the distant past, the Moon was much closer, appearing larger in the sky, and our days were much shorter. 18. A year on Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is incredibly long. It takes about 165 Earth years for Neptune to complete one orbit, so if you were born on Neptune, you wouldn't even be close to celebrating your first birthday yet. 19. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. It's so large that you could fit 2 or 3 Earths inside it. However, recent observations show it seems to be shrinking. 20. The universe has a color. After analyzing the light from over 200,000 galaxies, astronomers determined the average color of the universe. They named it cosmic latte. It's a sort of beigey white color. 21. Halley's Comet, the famous celestial visitor, won't be seen from Earth again until 2061. Its last appearance was in 1986. It's a reliable visitor, swinging by our neighborhood every 75 to 76 years. 22. Saturn isn't the only planet with rings. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune all have ring systems too, but they're much fainter and harder to see than Saturn's magnificent icy rings. 23. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond together. This process is called cold welding. It doesn't happen on Earth because our atmosphere puts a layer of oxidation on the metal surfaces, preventing it. 24. There might be rogue planets wandering through our galaxy, untethered to any star. These lonely worlds drift through the darkness of interstellar space. Scientists estimate there could be billions, or even trillions of them in the Milky Way alone. And finally, fact number 25. The light from some of the stars you see at night has taken millions or even billions of years to reach your eyes. So when you're stargazing, you're not just looking at space, you're looking back in time. You're witnessing cosmic history with every twinkle. And that's a wrap on our 25 cosmic facts. It's truly humbling to think about how vast and mysterious our universe is. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.